Hi, this is Dale Guiducci with ERA Credit Services. And if you're interested in getting into the credit repair or credit restoration business, I've got a question for you. The question is, why? Why do you want to sit at a desk and draft dispute letters and believe you're doing everything you possibly can to help someone and not make a lot of money doing it? Why wouldn't you want to help a lot of people in a multitude of ways and make a lot of money doing it? I'll be right back. Okay, so welcome back. So that was a very serious question that I asked, and a question that you need to answer before you invest a lot of time, a lot of energy, a lot of money into starting a business. Do you want to sit at a desk and draft dispute letters and believe you're doing everything you can to help someone and yet still not make a lot of money doing it? Or do you want to help a lot of people in a multitude of ways and make a lot of money? If you said you wanted to draft dispute letters and not make a lot of money, then what I'm about to share with you just isn't for you. But if you truly want to help people and help a lot of people and make a lot of money doing it, then stay with me. And I'm going to break it down even further for you. I've spoken to over 5,000 people in just over 10 years about the credit repair business, people that have contacted me, wanted to get into the business. We've spoken over the phone. And the vast majority of them were thinking small when I first talked to them. They were limiting their thinking to eliminating negative accounts from credit reports. In other words, credit repair or credit restoration, same thing. And they were thinking they could do it all themselves. They wanted to be a one-man or one-woman show. And here's the problem with that thinking, and many of these people over the years, I changed their thinking. So let me try it on you. There's very little money per client that you can charge in the credit repair business. You have to wait until you deliver the services to get your money. That's federal law. And once you help that client, they're gone. It's a one and done sale. That's not a good business model. Let me repeat that. Okay? There's very little money per client. You have to wait until you deliver the services to get your money. And once you help the client, they're gone. You'll never see them again. Not a good business model. So what's the solution? Well, there's two really. So the first solution is that you must be able to do volume. Volume of customers or clients solves a lot of problems. You talk to any business owner about that. You must have a lot of clients, but when you're doing all the work, you simply cannot do that. So in other words, if you're the one that's doing everything, you can't have volume. However, with our business model, you can be an independent business owner that represents a much larger company that has an expert staff that delivers the services to your client. The staff will be better at it than you and I in terms of delivering the services because that's all they do. They're specialists. And they have systems in place that you and I could never develop to streamline the workflow. So instead of you helping clients one by one and making very little money for doing that work, you can have as many clients as you want because you have the time to market your business. Let me repeat that. You can help as many clients as you want because you have the time to go out and find those clients and market your business. So here's the other solution to the problem of clients leaving you, right? Like I said, when they're done, you raise their credit score. Good for you. Now they're gone, right? Well, offer more than credit repair. Credit repair or credit restoration is just one small piece of the problem that most Americans have. Bad credit is just a symptom of larger financial issues that they have. They have bad credit because they're not saving enough of the money that they earn. They have bad credit because they're not paying off their debt in a timely manner. So yes, we want to help them increase their credit scores. We want to offer that piece, credit repair, but by offering more than just credit repair, you can help clients save more of the money that they're earning. You can help them eliminate their debt faster, and both of those things are going to save them a ton of money. And then you help them invest that money that they're saving for long-term tax-free growth of that money. Now, if you can do that, you're going to have a lot of clients. And you're going to have a lot of clients that stay with you forever. Working with our business model where you're an independent business owner marketing our company's services, allowing CPAs, CFPs, certified financial planners, and other financial experts to help your client, you're giving your client far more value than credit repair alone. And you can help far more people. Volume. By the way, our credit restoration service is CROA and RESPA compliant, and our experts will even help negotiate debts on behalf of your client, those debts that can't be removed through the dispute process. And here's the key. You can introduce other people like yourself to the business so they can develop a nice income and you can scale and grow your business all over the country. Who do you think makes more money and helps more people? The owner of a Liberty tax office or the person that sits at a desk and does the taxes? Who do you think makes more money? The owner of a Keller Williams real estate office or the real estate agents that work in that office? Well, what we have here is special. We're helping clients far more than any credit repair company in the country. And we're helping people like you help far more people and earn far more money. And guess what? You can do it all from home. I'm here at home. In fact, I got a thunderstorm coming in that I'm trying to get this video done before it hits hard. You can do it from home. You can do it in all 50 states, and there's no surety bond requirements. So to learn more, click the link below the video to see our business overview video. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a link to send you to our website. So once you do see that video, you can click around and you can see all kinds of articles I've written over the years on the credit repair business. And then certainly if you like what we're saying, if it makes sense to you, and I think it will, you can then click a button to schedule a phone appointment with one of our executive directors to get all your questions answered. So again, hopefully this made sense to you, right? You can't be a one-person shop, a one-woman or a one-man shop and help a lot of people, offer a lot of services, and make a lot of money. That's an old thinking, old style business model. I mean, you just think of businesses that are successful out there, and none of them do it that way. So do it the way that makes more sense. We look forward to talking with you. Take good care. Top is hot.